Very good morning. Today we'll discuss about the shampoos from the chemistry of consumer products. This is video number one. So let us start the program. Uh, Fourth year semester one, chemistry of consumer products, Department of Chemistry, College of Natural and Computational Sciences, University of Kabridahar, Somali region, Ethiopia. So chapter three, shampoos. Actually, the chemistry of consumer products is fourth year BSc chemistry program consisting of six different chapters. Chapter 1 discusses about the soap, Chapter 2 detergents, Chapter 3 shampoos, Chapter 4 hair colorants, Chapter 5 skin and manicure products, and Chapter 6 is essential oils. Today we'll discuss about the Chapter 3, that is the shampoos. Here in today's topics, we'll discuss about the introduction of definition 1 and definition 2 about the shampoo, chemical definition 1 and chemical definition 2 about the shampoo, and action of shampoos, removal of dust, removal of natural oils, and ancient history about the shampoos, that is boiled shaved soaps, and the modern history, that is non-soap shampoo, and how shampoos works out, in that cleansing action of shampoo and the impact of shampoos. And finally, we'll see about the types of shampoos, powder shampoo, clear liquid shampoo, aerosol based shampoos, and dry shampoos. So this is about the content that we are topics that we will discuss today's class. Definition 1. Chemical definition of shampoo. Shampoo is a suitable detergent for washing hair, removal sebum, that is a natural oil, sweat, dirt and dead cells present on the hair shaft and scalp. This is about the definition 1. So shampoos are generally called as the detergents for washing the hair, which removes the sebum, that is a naturally secreted oil from the scalp. This is called as the scalp. And from here, the natural oil will be secreting out from the pores of the scalp. That is called as sebum. And because of physical activity, movement, or any pressure or any other physical activity, we will get the sweat based on the atmospheric conditions. So from this definition, we can understand that. So shampoo is a detergent for washing the hair, removing the sebum, that is natural oil secreting from the scalp, the pores. This is called as the scalp, containing the pores. From these pores, the natural oil called as sebum will be secreted, and also sweat. Because of physical activity, we'll get the sweat. So this natural oil, sebum, and sweat mixes with the dirt from the atmosphere, and also the dead cells present on the hair shaft and scalp. So the shampoo were meant for to wash the hair, being acting as a detergent. It removes the natural oil, sweat, dirt, and dead cells present on the hair shaft to make it clean. This is about the definition of shampoo. And second definition is shampoo is a cleaning formulation of chemicals called surfactants in a suitable solid, liquid or powder form that had ability to surround oily material on surfaces and allow them to be rinsed away by water from the hair scalp. This is second definition. Shampoo are acting as a cleaning formulation with chemicals containing the surfactants. They are in the form of solid form of shampoos, liquid form or powder form also. They have the ability to surround the oil material on the surfaces, and they allowed them to be rinsed away from the hair scalp when it is washed away. This is about the definition 1 and 2. Now we'll discuss about the action of shampoos, removal of dust and removal of natural oils. That is the main action of shampoo. So, shampoos are hair care products used for the removal of oils, dirt, skin particles, dandruff, environmental pollutants, and other contaminant particles that gradually build up in hair. So, the hair, when we are moving in our daily life, so the hair containing the natural oils will absorb the dirt from the atmosphere, and also some of the scalp particles, skin particles that is coming out from the scalp, and dandruff if it is there in the hair, and the environmental pollutants all will be stick to the sebum, natural oil, and they can be creating the irritation for the skin. So the shampoo, the main action is it is a hair care product that removes the dust from the hair because of these oil particles present on the hair. So it removes the dust from the hair. Second one is removes the natural oils. So when shampoo is lathered with water, if you apply the shampoo with water, so the foam will be formed that acts as a surfactant, cleans the hair and scalp and remove the natural oils. Sebum, which lubricate the hair shaft. Shampooing is frequently followed by conditioners, which increase the ease of combing and styling. So when shampoo is mixed with water, the foam is formed that will be acting as a surfactant and cleans the hair by removing the natural oils present on the scalp or the hair shaft that can be removed because these natural oils can be acting as a lubricating materials for the hair. So this shampooing is also consisting of some conditioners which increase the combing and styling. So this is about the shampoo action, that is removes the dust from the hair and also removes the natural oils from the hair. Coming to the ancient history, that is, it can be used as a boiled shaved soaps. In case of shampoos, previously in ancient history, if you see 19th century, the people used to have the soaps in the form of shampoos. They used to boil the shaved soaps and they have been used as a shampoo in case of cleaning the hair. During the early stages, that is 19th century of shampoo, English hairstylists boiled the shaved soap in water and added some herbs to give the hair shine and fragrance. So shaved soaps are boiled to form a shampoo, liquid form of shampoo, by adding some of the natural products called as herbs, which brings the hair shine and fragrance. This is about the ancient history. J.C. Herbert was the first known maker of shampoo, and the origin is currently attributed to him. Originally, soap and shampoo were similar products, both containing surfactants, a type of detergents. So, Casey Herbert was the first found maker of the shampoo, where the shampoo is a combination of soap along with the shampoo nature. So, similar product they have been used as the cleaning agent for the hair. Coming to the modern history, it starts at 20th century. Non-soap shampoos were there. That is, it's not a soap, but it is a non-soap shampoo. Those shampoos have been used in 20th century. Modern shampoo, as it is known today, was first introduced in 1930s with Dreen. It's a famous name used for the preparation of shampoo. The first synthetic non-soap shampoo. In India, the traditional hair massage is still in common. So non-soap shampoos have been introduced in 1930s, which is having the very good effect to clean the hair. Different oils, along with this non-soap shampoo, they have been used different oils and formulations with herbs can be mixed with that. These include the neem, shikakai, or soap nut, henna, bale, brahmi, fenugreek, buttermilk, amla, aloe, and almond in combination with some aromatic components like sandalwood, jasmine, turmeric, rose, and musk. So these all are used as a formulations with herbs that can be called as a non-soap shampoo have been used in 20th century as recorded as the modern history. Coming to the second point, that is how shampoos work. What is the work of the shampoo? Shampoo means it's a combination of soap and surfactants. We have seen in the first chapter about the soap and its manufacture, and second chapter about the detergents. So now the third chapter is shampoos we are discussing. So shampoo is a combination or a combo of the soap and surfactants having both effect, and it operates both will be operating in this shampooing process. So here the sebum is an oil secreted by the hair follicles that is readily absorbed by the strands of hair and forms a protective layer. So sebum, as I discussed before slides, it is a protective layer. It is the natural oil produced from the scalp, pores of the scalp, and which acts as a protective layer and protects the hair by giving the conditioning effect to the hair. So sebum protects the protein structure of hair from damage, but this protection comes at a cost. It tends to collect dirt, styling products, and scalp flakes. Sebum protects the hair because it is the protects the protein structure present on the surface of the hair. With these protein structures, it will be making the conditioning effect to the protein structure. And because of this oily nature, this sebum also attracts the dirt from the atmosphere and styling products and scalp flakes also, which will be causing the what we can say, the dirt will be accommodated on the hair shaft, so that can be removed by means of shampoo. So sebum, even though it's protecting the structure of the hair, but shampoo will remove the dirt present on these hair shaft. This is about the work of the shampoo. And we can see here, surfactant strip or removes the sebum from the hair shafts, and therefore we can say remove the dirt attached to it. While both soaps and shampoos contain surfactants, soap bonds to oils with such affinity that it removes too much if used on hair. Here, the surfactants present in the shampoo, along with the soap action, removes the sebum oil to some extent, because the sebum attracts the dirt particles also, which causes itching or some other allergic conditions. So here, the shampoo containing the soap, actually what happens is bonds to oils with such affinity and removes the maximum amount of oil from the hair, because soap bonds are present that attracts the oils present on the hair shaft. Shampoos uses a different class of surfactants balanced to avoid removing too much oil from the hair. And also the surfactants present inside the shampoo will remove the oil to some extent, but not completely, because oil is needed to maintain the or to give the conditioning effect to the hair. And coming to the cleansing action of shampoo, similar to traditional soap, the action of shampoo is works in removing the dirt. Here, undamaged hair or the healthy hair has a hydrophobic surface on the hair shaft, to which skin lipids such as sebum stick, but water is initially repelled. So the healthy hair consisting of the hydrophobic surface on the surface of the hair, we can see it is hydrophobic in nature. To this hydrophobic nature, the sebum oil secreting from the scalp will be attached to it. Sebum will stick to that. And whereas if you use the water along with the shampoo, water will be repelled. The anionic surfactants substantially reduce the interfacial surface tension and allow for the removal of the sebum from the hair shaft. So the anionic surfactants present inside the shampoo, what happens is this will reduces the surface tension and allows the removal of sebum from the hair shaft. So the sebum which is secreting will be removed by means of these anionic surfactants. Therefore, the non-polar oily materials solubilized into the surfactant micelle structures of the shampoo and are removed during the rinsing oil roll-up effect. The anionic surfactants present inside the shampoo will reduces the surface tension and therefore removes the sebum from the hair shaft. So the sebum consisting of the dust and dirt where it attracts from the atmosphere. So because of these surfactants present in the shampoo, it forms the mesial structures where the surfactants attracts all the dust particles, oil particles, forming a mesial structures, and they can be removed by means of rinsing, or we can say oil roll-up effect. That is about the cleansing action of the shampoo. Now we will see the impact of shampoos. Shampoo formulation seeks to maximize the following qualities. So the main impact of shampoos is easy rinsing, and it gives good finishing after washing the hair, and minimal skin or eye irritation, no damage to the hair, feels thick and or creamy, pleasant fragrance, low toxicity, good biodegradability, and slightly acidic pH less than 7. This is about the qualities. This is how the shampoo impacts the hair. Shampoos are meant for the liquid substances only that can be used for easy rinsing the hair and gives a good finishing after washing the hair. And also the shampoos doesn't cause any eye irritation while on application, and also the shampoos doesn't cause any damage to the hair. After shampooing, you'll feel that it is hair becomes thick and it gives the effect of creamy nature, and it gives the pleasant fragrance, a good smell after shampooing the hair, and it is non-toxic or low toxicity in nature, and a good biodegradability, we can say that. So the shampoos after washing that can be passed into the drainage, and it is non-biodegradable, and it is I mean to say good biodegradability effect. It will not cause any effect to the atmosphere. and it is slightly acidic in nature. This is about the formulations shampoo. Now, the how the shampoo actually impact the hair means because of the atmospheric conditions, keratin breaks by atmosphere. Keratin is a protein that is present on the surface of the hair. So keratin sometimes because of atmospheric conditions will be breakdown and causes the shrinking of the hair. Since a basic environment weakens the hair by breaking the disulfide bonds, the keratin containing the disulfide bonds will be breaking up by means of the basic environment. So many shampoos are pearlescent, they are lustrous in nature. So because of this basic atmosphere or a basic environment, the keratin, that is the protein present on the surface of the hair, will be undergoes breakdown of the disulfide bonds. Because of this, the hair will becomes weakened. So therefore, the shampoos, especially consisting of the, you can see here the slide, that this effect is achieved by addition of tiny flakes of suitable materials, that is glycol distearate. It is like a wax, like a, it has the effect of action of wax, and chemically derived from the stearic acid, which may be have either animal or vegetable origins. So this glycol distearate in the form of wax will be added as a tiny flakes to these shampoos, and therefore that reduces the breakdown of the disulfide bonds. So impact of shampoos, we can see the keratin breaks up by atmosphere can be reduced by means of this glycol distearate wax that is used here as a tiny flakes. And the types of shampoos we can see here. Shampoos may be of various types. First, four types we can see: powder shampoo, clear liquid shampoo, aerosol based shampoo, and dry shampoo. The first one, if we see the powder shampoo, the formulation of dry shampoos is a powder blending process, which usually starts with grinding the ingredients to provide a uniform particle size. So the name itself indicates the shampoos are in powder form. They can be grinded into a, called as the blending process. They can be grinded into small uniform particle size so that they can be applied easily. After careful blending, the mixture may be subjected to sieving to better homogenize them and again provide a uniform particle size. So after complete blending, they can be passed into the sieving machine to make the uniform particle size so that they can be applied properly on the hair. So this is about the powder shampoo. We can see the formulations here. There is a formula 1 for powder shampoo preparation. We can see the table here, serial number, ingredients, and percentage weight by weight. If you see the ingredients, there are six ingredients we can see. Henna powder can be added, 5 weight by weight percent, and soap powder 50 weight by weight percent. Sodium carbonate 22.5 weight by weight percent. Potassium carbonate can be added as 7.50% weight by weight. Borax can be also added as 15% weight by weight, and perfume QS means quantum static as required. Perfume, we can see shampoos are giving some more perfume sometimes. The aroma will be more, sometimes it will be less. Based on the requirement, we can add whatever is needed. This is about the formula 1 for the powder shampoos. Coming to the formula 2 for the powder shampoo, we can use the ingredients: sodium lauryl sulfate 20%, and the saccharide 5%, sodium carbonate 10.5%, sodium sulfate 65%, and perfume can be also added as required. So this is about the powder shampoo and its formulations, Formula 1 and Formula 2. Now the second point here is clear liquid shampoo. Clear liquid shampoos can be prepared with detergents having lower cloud point. So the clear means the liquid, it is like water in nature. So without having the drowsiness, so without having the hazy appearance, that is called a clear liquid shampoo. That should have the lower cloud point. These can also be made with detergents and alkaloids. So let us see the ingredients that are required in the clear liquid shampoo. Can be called as formula 3. Ingredients: number 1, triethanolamine lauryl sulfate 50%, lauric isopropanolamide 2%, water 100%, perfume or color preservatives can be added as required. So this is about the third, formula 3. Coming to the formula 4, we can have another ingredients. Coconut oil can be added 4%, castor oil 3.6%, olive oil 3%, potassium hydroxide 5%, glycerol 2%, ethyl alcohol 4%, sodium hexametaphosphate 1%, perfume 0.3%, water 68%. So this is about the table consisting of the different ingredients. Now coming to the third one, that is aerosol based shampoo. So here they are prepared by two components concentrations. First one is LPG and the second one is chemical propellant is added. So because it is aerosol means it can be sprayed onto the from the can or tin. 88% of liquid petrol gas can be used as which is colorless, and 12% of chemical propellant that sprays out of the can onto air to expel the shampoo from the container. This is about the aerosol based shampoo. We can have the ingredients here as formula 5. Ingredients: ammonium salt of monoglyceride surface coconut oil 35%, perfume oil 0.7%, lanolin 0.8%, cetyl alcohol 0.6%, isopropanol 17%, deionized water 37%, and aluminum sulfate 3.5%. So this is about aerosol based shampoo formulation. Coming to the fourth point, that is dry shampoo. The name itself indicates it is dry. It is not wet. So this product can be used in totally dry way. It is applied to the hair and brushed through, cleansing by absorbing the excess and taking the atmospheric oil with it. No water is used in any stage. So here the main purpose of this dry shampoo is there is no requirement of any water required. Simply we can use the shampoo in the dry form. So the main purpose of this is which absorbs the excess sebum or natural oil present on the scalp. So here the powder shampoos are designed to work without water. They are typically based on powders such as starch or talc may be used and are intended to absorb excess sebum from the hair before being brushed. Simply, the dry powder form is applied as a shampoo on the scalp and it will absorb all the sebum natural oils because of its nature of powder. Powder nature is there, it absorbs all the oily sebum secreting from the scalp. So this is the formulation, formula 6 for dry shampoo. Ingredients: cornstarch may be used 10%, talc 45%, tripolite 45%. This is about the formulation of dry shampoo. So this is about the today's video one regarding the shampoos. Hope everybody understood well. And next class will be discussing about the video two regarding the another topics. Thank you so much.